大家好，我叫阿德，欢迎到我的华语角。Hi everyone, I'm Ada, and welcome to my Chinese corner. The topic of this video is to go and to come. Two seemingly very common words that we use almost every day, and the way you use them in Chinese is sometimes the same as in English, but you can also do a lot more with those two words. And in this video, you will see exactly what I mean. So let's dive right into it. This topic will actually be split into two videos. Part one, we're just going to talk about some of the uses of the word come and to go. And the second part will teach you a little bit more extra that you can do with that. The word for go in Chinese is 去, fourth tone, 去. The word for come is 来, second tone, 来. There are two ways you can make a sentence, a basic sentence with that in Chinese. First, you use it together with the word 到. Now, in my previous videos, I've also discussed the word 到. It means to arrive somewhere. And together with 去, you can ask the question, where are you going? In Chinese, that would be 你到哪里去? 哪里 is where. You, to where, go. In English, that sounds very strange if you ask it like that, so it will be, where are you going? Chinese is 你到哪里去? And the answer you can give is, for instance, 我到图书馆去. That means I am going to the library. Or you can say, 我到美国去. I am going to the US. 我到美国去. There's also a second way of asking and saying where you go. And that is without the dao. And that's actually more common. When I started studying Chinese, the first sentence structure we did was the one I just told you. 你到哪里去? 我到什么什么地方去. Actually, when you live in a Chinese-speaking country, you will hear the one I'm going to tell you now more often, which is 你去哪里? 你去哪里? You go where? It's shorter, more concise. So naturally, that is also the more preferred way of talking. 你去哪里? And you would say, 我去图书馆. I go library. I am going to the library. 我去美国. I am going to the United States. The second one. 来. 来. 来 means to come. With that, you don't use the word 到. You use the word 从. 从. 你从哪里来? 你从哪里来? You from where? Come. You from where? Come. 你从哪里来? 我从法国来. I am from France. 我从法国来. Or you can say 我从学校来. I came from school. If you don't want to use the word 从 as with 去, you don't use the word 到. You can ask 你来自哪里? 你来自哪里? This more often used when you ask a person where they come from, the country they come from. So you would say, instead of 我从法国来, you say 我来自法国. So now let's make 来 and 去 a little bit more interesting. Let's put characters in front of them. In my previous video, I've said that Chinese is different from English in that you cannot add letters or a pronunciation to a character. You have to add a character to another character to give it a different meaning. There are no conjugations with the verbs, but you can play around with them. You can treat them like Lego bricks. You have one brick and another brick and another brick and another brick, and pretty soon you have a beautiful Star Wars Death Star. Let's put some other characters in front of 去 and 来. First one is 出. 出 means out, to go out. 出 and 去 together is 出去. 出去 means to go out. 我们要出去. We want or we have to go out. We have to go outside. Then the next one is 出来. 出来 to come out. 你可以出来一下吗? Can you come out for a bit? 你可以出来一下吗? We can add the character 过. 过 means to pass or to go over. 过 to cross. 过去 means to go over to somebody or to cross a road. 他过去找他女朋友. He's going over there to get his girlfriend, to find or to see his girlfriend. And you can also have 过来. 过来 come over here. 过来. 赶快过来吧. Quickly, come here. 赶快过来吧. You can add the words for up and down or on and under. The word for up or on is 上. 上. 上去 means to go up somewhere. 我要上去拿衣服 in your house. And you want to go upstairs to get some clothes, you just say 我要上去拿衣服. I have to go up and get some clothes. 上来, 你为什么还没上来 means why haven't you come up yet? Now, the position of the speaker is very important. If the speaker is here and the action is going from the speaker to another place, you use the word 去. 他去 means he's going, so he's going somewhere. So from this place, together where I am, the same place, he's going somewhere to another place. If you use 来, it means the speaker is here and the person or the animal or the thing that he's talking about is in a different place and the person is coming towards him or her. 过来, 他过来, it means he comes here. So from that place to me. 上去 and 上来 means 他上去了 means I'm here and there's another person here and he or she is going upstairs. So then you use 上去. 上来 means I am already upstairs. The other person is downstairs, down there, and you are telling him or her 上来, come up. Okay, so always think about the position of the speaker. 下去 to go down. 我下去看电视. Maybe you're upstairs and you go downstairs to the living room to watch TV. 我下去看电视. 下来, 下来, which means to come down. So maybe a naughty kid has climbed up a tree and the parent is at the bottom of the tree and is shouting to the kid, 下来,赶快下来, means quickly, come down, come down. Safely, of course. We don't want any accident. 下来, 下来. So, these were just a few examples of what you can do with 来 and 去. So, not just boring one character and, okay, I make a sentence with that. No, you can also put words in front of it. Like 上去, 出去, 过去, 下来, and also the others that I have mentioned in this video. But wait, there's more. I can put another character in front of 下来 or 出去 or 出来, the character combination I've just mentioned. So I can make a combination of 3 characters. And that we will see in the next video. Please watch part 2 to learn even more about 去 and 来. Practice with what I've just taught you and 继续加油